Today let's just talk about the deletion of Instagram account. It's really simple. Let's go for this. How can you delete your Instagram account permanently? Right. So you have to just click on your profile because you're going to delete your profile, your account. Click on your profile. Now click on the top right 3 slash. Now you have to click on settings. Scroll down and you have to click on help. Now you have to click on help center and number 2nd. Now again click on the top right 3 slashes. Now click on number 2nd, manage your account. Now you have to come downward and on number 5th you have to click on delete your account. Right. Now you have to tell them why you are going to delete your account. Right? So you have to click on number 2nd. How do I delete my Instagram account? Just scroll down and you will see delete your account on number 1st. Just click on this. Now it asks you that why you delete this account. So you have to just tell them, you can tell them anything. Like I'm just going to create a second account. That's why I'm just going to delete the first one. And you have to just re-enter your password, what you have kept for making this Instagram account. You have to just enter that password and you have to just click on delete Beluga B5, my account. For now is this one. So when you click on this, your account will be deleted permanently, right? So hope you understand how can you delete your Instagram account. So make sure if you are new on my channel, so for upcoming hilarious tutorials, just make sure to subscribe my channel and show your love and support. Thanks for watching.